What a beautiful morning. Look at these beautiful collard greens here. Oh boy. Look how big and beautiful these leaves are. Okay. This has been the collard green plant that has given me big harvest all fall and winter season. The rest of my garden where I was planting my collard greens and mustard greens didn't do too good. With all this change in weather, from freezing temperatures to some days, several days, we had 80-degree weather that bolted the plants and made them go to seed early, and the freezing temperatures burnt them out. But this particular collard green plant here has been giving me a lot of beautiful collard greens this past season. And I'm gonna harvest this morning some more of this beautiful collard greens here. I'm not gonna say this may be my last harvest, because I'm gonna just cut off all the big leaves, and hopefully I have some more coming up before the hot summer weather totally takes it out. So let me get busy here this morning. Look at that, they look so beautiful. Go ahead and harvest my collard greens grown here in Big Mama's garden. Oh, they look so good. Oh yes. Okay, collard greens. Looking good, looking good. Just break them off. Look at that. Okay, collard green. Add these to the rest of my collard greens I harvest during the season. Put them in my freezer and cook them when I'm ready to eat them. Oh, I know they're gonna taste good. Look at that beautiful leaf there. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay, my collard greens. Still have some of the morning dew on it. Look at that. Okay. Get this harvest done before I head to work this morning. As I think we're gonna start having some warmer days coming, and all of these pests gonna start coming up, and they're gonna be hungry. So I want to make sure I harvest my beautiful collard green leaves here before the pests come out and start eating on them. Okay, have some of them that got a few little bugs on them. Wash that off and clean it off. Okay, over here. Get this side here. Okay, looking good, looking good. Yes, you do. Look at those beautiful collard green leaves. Thank you, dear Heavenly Father, for providing us with food to eat. Grow your own food, people. It don't take much to just put some seeds in the ground, put some seeds in the soil, and watch what comes up. My bucket falling over here. Come on now. Okay, look at my harvest of collard greens from Big Mama's garden. Y'all have a beautiful gardening day. Okay, I'm gonna see if these collard greens leaves that's left on here are gonna produce any more of a harvest from it. Look at that little one coming up there. These ones that I found holes in them and some bugs still on them and that ate them up. I'm gonna put this in my super juice solution. And go over here. Gotta make me a new batch of super juice. Super juice fertilizer here. Yeah, I gotta make me some more. Not very much in there right now. But those collard greens gonna help give some more nourishment that I can feed back on my plants. Feed back in my garden. Okay, over here I have some of my green beans and my sugar snap peas sprouting up over here. And I got some yellow wax beans over there growing. Come on. Spring is here. Come on in. Grow in abundance for my family. Look over here. My romaine lettuce and my butter crunch lettuce. Oh, y'all looking beautiful. Look at you, look at you. Come on, get big. Get bigger, get bigger. Beautiful lettuce, beautiful lettuce. Grown in Big Mama's garden.